welcome. We're going to do the bare unboxing of the iPhone mini. Let's take a look here. There it is. What do you think about that, Ruggles? Yeah. You feel that indentation of the phone on there? It feels so good. Let's see. Listen to that. Perfect. Whoa, look how small that looks. It's the mini iPhone. Let's see how tough this glass is. Very tough. Let's peel this part off. Wow. That is an amazing phone. Thanks, Apple. Welcome to the iPhone 12 Pro Max bare unboxing. Let's take a look at it. Apple has very nice packaging to help you easily open it. The outside of the box has indentations so you can feel what the phone will feel like from the box. Whoa, Pacific Blue. It's called Pacific because it resembles a pacifier, and it will make me feel whole once I have it. Thank you, Apple. And look how nice this is. Let's take it out of the box. Perfect. It feels so square.
I'm Ruggles. Ruggles the dog. Welcome. Chocolate tastes best in its liquid form. Pour it on ice cream. Watch the chocolate form. Push me down. Don't look away right now. I'm eating hay, hey, how about?